Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's episode is inspired by an advertisement I saw by another CPA firm, and it said 100% accuracy guarantee or your money back. And I was puzzled reading it, and I thought about it overnight and decided it would be a good topic for discussion. So, first of all, I am puzzled as to why a CPA would do that as a business move. Theoretically, I assume that they assume that their clients or potential clients care about 100% accuracy guarantee. And I know that there are some taxpayers that care about that. None of my taxpayers care about that. I think I can remember one. I think he was a Princeton professor who insisted on 100% accuracy guarantee, and that many years ago. But here's the point: I do exactly the opposite. I point out that every business and investor tax return that I prepare has assumptions, accounting procedures, and estimates, all of which are subject to some degree of questioning. What I do when I prepare a tax return is prepare a list of the client's most vulnerable tax positions. And I would go as far as to say, if you're saying 100% guarantee, nothing even questionable, I have to assume that one of three things is happening. One is you're not pushing at all for anything resembling a tax saving strategy, because every position and every strategy can be questioned, and there's just no such thing as a guarantee. Or second, that it's just plain, advertising fluff. Nobody believes it. It's just for the sake of advertising. That's been known to happen before. Or third is that the accountant is in a different world completely. Maybe they only handle W-2 employees, and there's no room for error in a simple return like that. But I'm saying every person that I deal with, it's trying to decrease their taxes and decrease their risk, is subject to some degree of questioning and examination. So if the goal is to minimize taxes and minimize risk, it's a matter of our discussion and tax planning and overall financial positioning to consider what is the accepted level of risk. Obviously, if you're talking about a bookkeeper, the more you spend in bookkeeping, presumably, the less risk there is going to be in the numbers. The same thing with a tax preparer, the same thing with an accountant. But in the real world, we have to make trade-offs and decisions and say, this is the amount of time and budget that we have to put together this financial statement and prepare this tax return, and not every number on there is going to be 100% accurate. That's the way the real world works. We'd love to hear your thoughts, comments, or any bookkeepers or accountants want to challenge that position. But that I have never seen a tax return that I had 100% accuracy on unquestionable positions. So we'd love to discuss that. Or if you want to reach me one-on-one, I'm easy to reach at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Savings Minute.